All right, so question number 22 from the 2014 Math 7 SOL test says a rectangular prism has a height of 3 inches and a volume of 27 cubic inches. So let me go ahead and draw me a rectangular prism. So there's my beautiful prism, and it's got a height of 3 inches, and it says its volume is already known. The volume is 27 cubic inches. The height of this prism is changed to 6 inches, and the other dimensions stay the same. What is the volume of this new prism? So the height of this, and let me just, so I have some room here. The height of this prism that I just drew goes from 3 inches up to 6 inches. So it's going to be up to here. So let me draw across again and go like this, go back, go across like this, and then I can kind of erase this area right here so you can see that I have kind of a new prism on here. Yeah? All right, so this new prism we're trying to find the volume of, and since it went from 3 inches to 6 inches, that means it looks like the height of this thing doubled. So literally we have this one object stacked on top of the other object, essentially kind of that idea. We have the original got doubled. So if you know the volume of the original figure was 27 cubic inches, and the height of this figure doubled, what do you think, what makes sense, would happen to the volume? Well, if the height of the figure doubled, it only makes sense that the volume of the figure would also double. So the original volume, 27 inches cubed, gets doubled or gets multiplied times 2, giving us a grand total of 54 cubic inches. And 54 cubic inches is one of our choices. Okay. You could, in a problem like this, easily make a mistake on a problem like this by not carefully reading the question, by not recognizing what measurements go with what measurements, by possibly treating it as, instead of it growing, you could think that 6 was the initial height, or the initial height, and then it shrunk to 3. Again, if you're not reading the question carefully. So the key in a question like this is definitely read the question carefully and certainly draw a picture so you can visualize what's happening to your in this case, rectangular prism. So you can literally see the size of this thing, and it's much easier to look at it now to see the size of this thing, where it started and where it ends up. All right, so I hope this helped you solve volume issues with your rectangular prisms. Good luck and have a great day, everybody.